Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DIY Christmas gifts is probably one of the most heartwarming and thoughtful presents you can give this holiday season. Crafting a personalized gift allows you to express your creativity and love in a unique way, showing the recipient that you put time, effort, and genuine care into creating something special just for them, far exceeding the value of any store-bought item, making this Christmas truly memorable. Number 5. 5 ARTH Wood Slices Craft Kit. These natural wood slices are perfect for unleashing your creativity. They're made from beautiful pine wood and are ready for your next project. Each slice is unique, showcasing the natural beauty of the wood and bark. Feel the texture and let your imagination run wild. They're smooth, pre-drilled with holes, and come with jute and decorative rope for easy hanging. Get crafting right away. Our advanced techniques ensure these slices are less prone to cracking or drying out compared to ordinary wood slices. They're built to last. Use them for coasters, ornaments, holiday decorations, or anything you can imagine. The possibilities are endless. These are natural wood slices, so remember to seal them with tung oil after use to prevent cracking. Keep them in a dry place. What we like. If you appreciate nature's beauty and enjoy crafting, these wood slices are perfect for you. They come pre-drilled and with jute rope for easy hanging, saving you time and effort. Create unique ornaments or coasters with these versatile slices, making them ideal for DIY enthusiasts of all skill levels. What people say. So fun to print pictures and attach and paint. So easy to attach string. They are great quality and hold up over the years. These wood discs are well sanded and ready to craft with. I have bought these several times and none have ever come broken or split. Number 4. Hapinest DIY Journal Kit. It's a complete journaling kit, perfect for young creators. Everything you need to make a unique and personalized journal is included. Designed for girls aged 8 to 14, it's a fun way to express yourself. This kit helps foster creativity and self-expression through journaling and scrapbooking. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This makes a wonderful birthday present or just a fun surprise. It's ideal for teens and tweens who love to create. With 63 pieces, it's a comprehensive kit. You'll find a journal, decorative frames, stickers, scrapbook pages, and more, everything for a personalized journal experience. It arrives ready to gift. The kit comes in attractive packaging, making it a delightful present to give and receive. What we like. If you're searching for a gift that sparks creativity in young minds, this journal kit is the perfect choice. It includes everything needed for a personalized journaling experience, fostering self-expression and artistic skills in young girls. It's a thoughtful and engaging gift for birthdays or any special occasion. What people say. This is a great journal kit. My 9-year-old loves all the fun accessories included. She has been scrapbooking with pictures of family and friends. It's really cute and has been an engaging activity that she's gone back to over time. The packaging was nice and the quality seemed good. Loved the color scheme and the items didn't look cheap. Many activities for youth. Number 3. Dan&Darci Wind Chime Kit. It's time to get creative. With this kit, you can paint, assemble, and hang your own unique wind chime. The result is truly magical. You'll find everything you need: ceramic domes, colorful paints, chimes, string, twine, paintbrushes, and easy instructions. Personalize it. Let your imagination run wild as you paint the ceramic domes. Add your own special touch. Once painted, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Hang it up and enjoy the beautiful sounds and colors. It's a fun and engaging project that's perfect for kids. It's also a great STEM activity that combines creativity and learning. Looking for a unique and memorable gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. If you're looking for a fun and educational craft project, this wind chime kit is a great option. It's easy to assemble and the colorful chimes create a magical sound. It's a perfect STEM activity that combines creativity and learning, making it suitable for kids of all ages. What people say. Our little one loved painting and putting this together. Easy assembly, nice smaller size and fun to paint and make their own little wind chime. My granddaughter enjoyed coloring and putting the wind chime together. It's a great project for 8 years old because it gives them something to do and enjoy crafting for fun. It turned out beautiful. My granddaughter, 6 years old, loved this gift and is very proud of the finished product. Number 2. Christmas Tie-Dye Socks Kit. Get ready for a fun and creative experience with this complete tie-dye kit. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. This kit comes with 3 pairs of socks, 3 vibrant colors, gloves, rubber bands, a tablecloth, and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll have everything you need to create beautiful designs. Apply the dye and watch as your Christmas designs magically appear after washing. It's a truly rewarding experience. The dyes are non-toxic and permanent, so you can create lasting memories without worry. The simple steps make it perfect for beginners. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of creativity and fun this year. This compact kit is the ideal stocking stuffer, party favor, or rainy day activity. It's big fun in a small box. What we like? If you enjoy tie-dye and want a festive activity, this Christmas-themed sock kit is perfect. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and creates unique, personalized socks. It's a fun and creative project for kids and adults alike, ideal for holiday crafting or as a unique gift. What people say. The kit had everything needed. We were able to dye the 4 shirts that came in the kit as well as 2 kids' undershirts and 2 other items. The instructions were super easy and we let the items sit for 24+ hours just to be sure. My nanny kids love their shirts and have worn them countless times so far. The shirts provided are of actually pretty good quality. The rubber bands are very good and plentiful. The dye, you just fill the bottle with water. We tied all sorts of patterns we've seen on YouTube, and then did a really crazy one. All of them came out perfect and very cool. Number 1. JOYIN Christmas Scratch Art Ornaments. It's time to get crafty. This kit has everything you need to make beautiful, unique Christmas ornaments. You'll receive 72 scratch-off ornaments, 72 red cords, and 24 wooden sticks. That's plenty to share with friends and family. Choose from 9 festive patterns, snowmen, Christmas trees, and reindeer. Each design is ready for your personal touch. Use the wooden sticks to scratch away the black layer and reveal a rainbow of colors underneath. It's so satisfying. Once you've created your masterpieces, use the included cords to hang them on your Christmas tree or anywhere you like. These make wonderful party favors for kids' Christmas celebrations or as festive stocking stuffers. They're sure to be a hit. What we like? If you love the vibrant colors of scratch art and the magic of Christmas, this ornament kit is for you. It includes 72 ornaments with various Christmas designs, allowing for hours of creative fun. It's a great party favor or a fun activity for kids to create personalized Christmas decorations. What people say. Each kid got a combination of a tree, reindeer, and snowman. There were enough supplies for 24 students. The kids instantly knew what to do with their little package and they jumped right into on their own. They were oohing and ahhing about how cool it was to scratch the ornament and different colors came through. It's a fun activity that allows them to use their creativity and gives them something to do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.